Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add recorded audio to your video in CapCut. See? So super simple. So if you want to add the recorded audio, you are just going to click record button right here and just click right button to start recording. And you can adjust body volume and turn on the EQ reduction and then mute project. For example, click start. Just all right. Um. All right. Go. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add recorded audio to your video in CapCut. You see. Alright, so you can listen the recorded. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to. That's it. So basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.